A worker loses his balance while leaning on a doorknob and falls from the ladder he was working on. This incident highlights just how important safety precautions are. In the footage, a welder tries to snap a thin piece of iron by hand after welding it. Despite wearing gloves, he feels a sharp pain. He immediately takes off his gloves to check his hand, then puts them back on and tries to snap the iron, which has turned bright red from the heat. This situation demonstrates the importance of being careful when working with hot materials. In the footage, we see a mechanic working under a pickup truck that has been jacked up at an auto repair shop. The mechanic likely doesn't notice that there is a hole in the pickup's fuel tank and continues welding. When a spark flies onto the fuel that is spilled onto the floor suddenly catches fire. At first, the worker doesn't notice, but as the fire grows, it becomes impossible to ignore, and he immediately runs away. This incident highlights just how critical it is to inspect the work area beforehand. Sometimes, minor accidents can occur at work without people realizing it. In this video, a worker is welding a piece of metal when a spark from the welder lands on his hair, setting it on fire. But he doesn't notice it at first. As the fire grows, the heat intensifies, and the worker finally realizes what's happening and extinguishes the flames in his hair. Fortunately, no serious injury occurred. The footage shows the moment a forklift tips over on a narrow and unstable ramp while being unloaded from a truck bed. The operator narrowly escapes being pinned under the vehicle. The footage shows a worker arranging packages on a moving conveyor belt at a logistics center. Working in this manner violates occupational safety regulations and poses a serious risk. Unfortunately, the worker learns this the hard way. Safe work areas must be established in workplaces, and staff must be regularly trained on safety procedures. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.